2017 Chevy Trax with a 1.4 liter turbo. Got a random misfire codes. So I'm going to inspect the spark plugs and the coil. So what you want to do is you want to remove the little engine cover, which is this little plastic piece. It's got a clip here and a clip there, and a clip in the front also. Just pull them straight up, and pull them straight up, and pull them out. And then you want to remove the connector off the coil pack. This is the coil pack. Usually comes with a little red lock. Undo the little red lock, get it out of there, out of the way. You might have to pick it up a little bit and get over this fat part right here. And you got to push down this tab as hard as you can, and you can pull it off. It's got a little clip in there. Or you can get a little screwdriver in there, a pocket screwdriver, and lift it up a little bit. Right there. Get that undone. Then you get a Torx bit, T27. Remove these two bolts. Okay? Then you can go ahead and pry up your ignition coil on both sides and pull that up. And there's your boots. Then your spark plugs are in there. So what you want to do is get a blow gun, blow out your spark plug tubes before you pull your spark plugs out. And get your 5/8 spark plug socket. Get in there and pull all 4 of your spark plugs out. And then when you get the spark plugs out, go ahead and blow it out again. Okay? All right, I twisted my spark plug boots off of my coils, and I removed the little spring terminals that's inside there. If you look inside this one and that one, they're full of corrosion, greenish. And if you look way down in there, you'll see that they are also corroded down inside there. See it? Green down in there. This one is nice and clean. That one's nice and clean. And this one's corroded also. If they're corroded, you have to replace it. If they're looking like these two, then most likely it's pretty decent. All right, so I turned out the coil and tapped out the dirt, the corrosion that was in there, and that's what it looks like. It came out of there, and there's the little springs that went down inside here. Okay, all corroded. So that's definitely no good. And also my spark plugs have pretty good wear on them. They got 80,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna put new spark plugs in, and I'm gonna put a new coil pack assembly in there. So you got your new spark plugs. What you want to do is you want to look at the porcelain on the outside, rub your finger on it. Finger has a lot of dirt on it, and just rub it in there. And if you see any lines or cracks, the lines would be cracks. The dirt in your fingers will fill in the crack and make them show up. And also, you want to make sure that the gap is preset from the factory. That it's not smashed down, okay? You want to look at them all and make sure that they're all good. And then you can go ahead and install them into the cylinder head. Make sure you get them hand started before you put any kind of tool on them, power tool. And then you want to torque them to 18 foot-pounds, okay? All right, my spark plugs are in and they're torqued. And you got your new coil pack assembly. Make sure it's got some dielectric grease inside the boots. And it'll help keep it from carbon tracking. Then also you want to do is want to put some dielectric grease on your boots right here, right in there, just so when you push them down in there, it seals them up a little bit to keep dirt and water from going down inside there and causing a misfire of corrosion or anything like that. So put a little bit of Sil Glide on here or dielectric grease, okay? All right, I got a little bit on mine. A little bit goes a long ways. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to push it down in there. Make sure you got the terminal on the right side. Get it lined up. Just push it down, straight down on there. And then go ahead and get your bolts started. And as you tighten your bolts, push down on the coil pack assembly to help them out, bring it down, okay? And then just snug them up. You don't need to bear down on it, okay? Then once you get it in there, you go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you hear it click. Give it a little pull, see if it comes off. If it doesn't come off, then it's good. And now you can put your little engine cover back on and go inside, clear your codes, and take it for a ride and see how it drives, okay? So that's how you replace your coil pack and your spark plugs. If you got a random 300 misfire, these are things to look for, okay? So hopefully I helped you out with this video, and hopefully you can help me out by subscribing to me, and I appreciate it, and good luck.